These came out so pretty.
Like how I forget. Then washed my pants on Monday. Forgot I had it there in the pocket for the doctor. But my writing wasn't there. What to do with all the words to tell them I'm doing okay. Red dots and it's been a moment since I saw you last. Let's meet up, promises all feeling like a task. I think I lost it, but I'm all in. Composed but off the rails. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I'm okay. Been trying to keep it on track, but what can I say? If get what you get is the brand, I do it for no name. I'm doing okay. I'm okay.
Good morning, Poopa. You ready to go for your walk? Whoa. Hello. Welcome to a new vlog. In this vlog, we are working on our phone wallpapers. I finished one yesterday and it was pumpkin soup themed with a kitchen harvest mouse, and I think it turned out so cute. I'm really happy with it. Today we are working on the second phone wallpaper, which is going to be a blue jay on a tree branch of yellow and red leaves, and I'm excited to work on it. First, I do need to work on a commission. I have been hard at work on my commissions earlier this week. I finished 2 of the commissions already, and I have 1 more to do. So I think I'm going to try my best to get most, if not all, of this last commission finished today before we start working on the phone wallpaper. And then after that, the rest of my week is free, and I really want to work on making some patchwork pouches. So I have a bunch of scrap fabric in the back over there, and I would like to make some patchwork. I have some quilt blocks that I would really like to try making. I also want to make just some like standard little square patchwork pouches, and then I'm hoping I can make some drawstring bags as well, because I would like to make some for project bags for knitting. And that segues us very nicely into a little knitting update on my Bloom sweater. I have been working very hard on my Bloom sweater, and I am happy to say that last night I finished the stockinette on the body. So let me go grab it. Okay, so this is the front. This is how it looks. As you can see, the sleeves are completely finished with ribbing on the edge of the sleeve, the end of the sleeve, and the body is done. I measured it last night, and it's 9 inches, which is what the pattern says, and I think it looks right held up to my body. Hold on. I think the length looks right held up to my body. What plus ribbing, it's going to be about like here-ish, and then I can block out a little bit of extra length. I still have quite a bit of yarn left, which is nice because that means that I have some scrap yarn to play with and maybe do something matching, a little matching mitten or a little matching hood bonnet thing. That could be cute. But yeah, that's the progress. I think I will be able to finish this tonight even, and then block it, and then maybe before the end of this vlog I'll be able to show you the finished sweater. But that's really exciting. You guys have seen me work on this sweater from beginning to end, so that's pretty fun. But yeah, that's my little intro. Hello. I hope this vlog treats you well. I hope you enjoy whatever it is I'm gonna film later. Yeah, let's get into it.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, and I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, and all of my problems, and where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, and I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, and all of my problems, and maybe I need a break, maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.
I love them. Hello, it's voiceover Cece here. We are working on a little bit of patchwork. I honestly did a pretty bad job of vlogging for the sewing portion of this week, but I did spend 3 days sewing a lot of patchwork and assembling pouches and making my body hurt quite a bit, because it turns out when you're crouched all over the floor trying to cut fabric with your rotary cutter, it's not very good for your back or your shoulders or your arms. And I kind of learned that the hard way. I really wish I had a dedicated sewing area, although I don't really sew often enough, I think, for it to be something worth investing money into quite yet, but I did end up moving my little sewing setup to my dining table. I've taken over my dining area so that I have a little bit more space to move around, and so I'm not crouched like a little gremlin on the floor. But yeah, overall this week was a really, really fun week. I did a lot of art. I'm really proud of the wallpapers that I made, and I'm very excited about the shop update that's coming next week. I have a lot to show you guys, and I'm really happy, and I am excited also to spend some more time this winter doing some quilting and some patchworking. I have been looking at a lot of sampler quilts, and I would really, really like to make a block of the month or like some kind of sampler quilt situation. There's this Barnstar sampler quilt that I have seen a lot online, and it looks so beautiful. I really love a star motif with quilts, it turns out, and I am really considering buying myself that book so that I can possibly work on making one of those Barnstar quilts. I really love the pouches that I made. I'm gonna hand you off to outro CC now, because she's gonna show you all of the pouches that she made, and she is also going to show you her sweater because she finished it and it looks so good. Hello friends. My sweater is done. Oh, I love it so much. I think it turned out so good. I haven't blocked it yet, so it will stretch out a little bit more once it's blocked. But even pre-blocking, I'm obsessed. I think it looks so good. I think it's like very kind of wintry. It's so cute. I'm so happy. Yeah, I finished the ribbing last night, and then I did a Italian bind off, tubular bind off, which is what the pattern recommended. I don't really enjoy doing that bind off, but it took so long. But it's done now. I'm so happy. I also wanted to show you my pouches that I've been working on. I kind of did a really bad job filming my sewing. I find it kind of hard to like get out of the zone of sewing in order to remember to like film and change the camera angle and stuff like that. So I ended up just like having a grand old time doing my own sewing without filming. I did finish these pouches. So we did one boxed pouch. One little box pouch I think turned out quite cute. And then I did a maple leaf pouch, which is double-sided. I did another maple leaf pouch, but a green one, also double-sided. I think they turned out very, very cute. I did some just regular little patchwork square pouches. This one, and then this one, I managed to find enough scraps to make this kind of like little pattern. And then I made this hidden hourglass star pouch, which I really love. This one I kind of want to keep it. Yeah. And then I have 3 more cut out. These are going to become project bags, but I haven't assembled them yet. But I have all of the parts cut out. I have the patchwork done, and I have lining cut out and the little drawstring thing, like tube thing cut out. So I just need to quilt and then assemble. I think I'm gonna do that next week. I'm feeling pretty tired. I don't have like a real sewing space. I mean, you guys know my little studio is very, very small, because it's like a repurposed dining room basically. And I've been doing all my cutting on the floor, and it turns out I am too old to be doing my cutting on the floor because my whole body hurt on Friday and on Saturday, and still kind of hurts today on Sunday. So I've been trying to take it slow and easy this weekend and just like sit and play a lot of Minecraft, finish the sweater, stuff like that. So yeah, it's been kind of a chill end of the vlog. I hope you had a good time. I did mostly just work on my phone wallpapers in this vlog, but I really, really love my phone wallpapers. I think they turned out so, so cute, and I am so proud of them. I think they are maybe my best set yet. So yeah, I hope you like them, and if you want them, you can check them out over on Patreon. I need to plug my stuff more, I think, because my Patreon has not grown in a long time, and I would really like it to keep growing. Anyway, if you would like a cute holiday gift for somebody, you could get them, an annual subscription to my Patreon. I'm kidding. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being part of my cozy little space on the internet. I am thrilled with the sweater. I think it looks so good. I can't wait to start my next sweater project. I already have the yarn, and I have picked out my next colorwork project as well. But I still have some mittens to finish, so I need to work on that. I'm gonna finish my mittens before I buy myself more yarn for colorwork sweaters. But I really want to do either the porcelain sweater or the rosy sweater. I'm gonna put up some pictures. I really want to do one of these because I've never done a shoulder construction like these sweaters, and I don't know, it looks fun. So I think that's what I want to make next. I love this sweater. It looks so good. Okay. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Next week is going to be my shop update vlog. So hopefully some more stuff comes in before then. All right. I love you all. Bye, friends.